A table saw is like the cornerstone of any serious woodworking shop, the tool that brings both power and precision to your projects. Imagine a robust, flat surface with a circular saw blade emerging from the center, poised to slice through wood with effortless ease. This tool isn't just about cutting wood, it's about transforming raw materials into perfectly measured pieces, whether you're working on a simple bookshelf or an intricate piece of cabinetry. With a table saw, you can rip long boards, make crosscuts, and even tackle more complex tasks like dado cuts and bevels, all with remarkable accuracy. It's the kind of tool that makes you feel like a master craftsman, turning your ideas into reality with each pass of the wood. The real magic of a table saw comes from the level of control it offers. It's not just a saw, it's a finely engineered machine that allows you to adjust blade height, angle, and depth with precision, giving you the flexibility to create exactly what you envision. The fence system and miter gauge are your best friends here, ensuring that every cut is straight, square, and true. Whether you're making repetitive cuts for a large project or carefully crafting a single piece, the table saw gives you the consistency and reliability that's essential for high-quality work. Plus, the smooth operation and steady power of the motor make even tough cuts feel like a breeze, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your project. What makes the table saw truly fun to use is the satisfaction it brings to the woodworking process. There's something deeply rewarding about the hum of the motor, the feel of the wood as it glides across the table, and the sight of a perfectly clean cut emerging on the other side. It's a tool that doesn't just get the job done, it enhances your entire woodworking experience, making each project more enjoyable and each result more satisfying. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, the table saw quickly becomes an indispensable part of your toolkit, inspiring you to take on bigger, bolder projects with confidence and creativity.